Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to download and install Guarda wallet application for your Android device. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive in straight into the video. The first thing to do is to open your Play Store from your Android device. Also make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet. Once it's done, go to the search box at the top and type in Guarda wallet. Make a search for it, and then once you find this application in your search result, tap on the install button to begin downloading the application. Now all you need to do is to wait for the app to download and install, which will take several minutes. Once the application is downloaded and ready to be used, you will be able to see the open button popping up. Tap on the open button to open your wallet. And that's how you can easily download Guarda wallet application on Android. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next episode. Goodbye till then.